Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Safi Bella. I'm here again with another DIY from my home. Quarantine only limits us to certain stores and certain things we can get our hands on. So I am gonna shoot today I don't want to call it tropical because I don't really have any backdrop for that. I do have a yellow material that I've had for a while. I purchased a while back at a fabric store, really affordable. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use some leaves that I did buy at Target. They are faux leaves. They're like fake, right? Faux, fox, whatever. I call it faux. They're fake leaves that I purchased at Target. They were retail $3 each, but I got them for 90 cents each. So I bought 5 of them. Let me just show you guys. These. Super tropical, super pretty. I thought this would look really good with my shirt that I have. And being that my family's from the islands, I thought I can at least like dream about being on an island right during quarantine. Sucks. I want to travel so bad, but that can wait. So yeah, so we're gonna do this in the home. Let's make it work. All right, so look out, pay attention, and get your notes together because I'm about to slay this whole look. All right, and also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to your girl Safi Bella and hit that notification button because you don't want to be left out when I do another video. Okay, bye guys, you're gonna see the photos. Here I'm just demonstrating how I put up my yellow fabric. It looked a bit thin, so I just doubled it and then went ahead and clipped it on to the T-stand. I used 2 tripods to actually put this up. Then I took a leaf and I just taped it around one of the tripods, and I taped the other one on the other side. I also grabbed my camera tripod and taped one of the leaves in front of me. These are my before and after. I did edit with Prequel and Facetune. Hey guys, so my shoot is over. It went so well. I took about 7 photos and I love all of them. So now I gotta go through them and edit them. I'm gonna let everyone know what I use to edit my photos. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I must repeat that all the time. Like, subscribe to me. Why wouldn't you want to know every move I make? Hit that notification and like this video. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. I hope you guys enjoy my photos. And if you are on Instagram, listen, follow me at Safi_Bella. Just follow me. Tag me to your posts. Tag me to your photos that you have that are very similar to my DIYs and my photo hacks. Please, I want to see them. Bye guys.